and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to recover deleted Facebook messages. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to recover deleted Facebook messages, then you can simply tap open your Facebook. Once you tap open your Facebook, you need to go to your profile and tap on the three dots. Once you simply do it, you can first of all try to recover your deleted Facebook messages by checking your archive first. Once you check your archive, you can simply go to Story Archives or Recycle Bins. So if you have something over there, then you can simply restore it via that. But if permanently deleted, you can use the option called Download Your Information. Once you download your information feature on Facebook, you can simply request an archive of your data, selecting only messages for a specific date range to download a file with a conversation history, as there is no simple trash folder in the app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.